Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is the basic of all important scientific study. Okay. In daily life, we need to make measurement. For example, how will you find your height? We need measurement. How will you buying milk? We need measurement. 1 liter milk, half liter milk, and so on. So, all our daily life we need measurement. So, what is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding unknown quantity by using the standard known quantity. Okay. It is defined as the determination of the size or magnitude of the quantity. Okay. So, measurement is defined as the determination of the strength of the quantity. Measurement is defined as the determination of strength of the quantity. Now, we are going to discuss about the physical quantities. Okay. Quantities that can be measured is called physical quantities. Quantities that can be measured is called physical quantities. So, the physical quantities can be classified into two types. They are fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Okay. Fundamental quantities and derived quantities. What is fundamental quantities? Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Once again, listen carefully. Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Some examples are given. Example, length, mass, time, temperature. Length, mass, time, temperature. Okay, what is derived quantities? Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Example, area, volume, velocity and density. Okay, area, volume, velocity and density. So the physical quantities have the numerical value and they have the unit also. Okay. For example, 3 kg, 3 kg. So 3 is the numerical value and kg is the unit. So what is the unit of mass? Kilogram. Okay. So physical quantities have a numerical value and it's have the unit. Students, now we are going to discuss about unit. Okay. So unit is the standard quantity. Unit is the standard quantity. It has been adopted by law or convention. So for example, 10 feet. Okay. Feet is the unit of measuring length. So 10 feet is equal to 10 times predetermined length. Okay, 10 feet means 10 times predetermined length. In earlier days, there are many different unit systems have been used by people from different countries. Okay, unit system of earlier times. CGS system, FBS system, MKS system, centimeter, gram, second, foot, pound, second, meter, kilogram, second. So CGS system, centimeter for measuring length, gram for measuring mass, second for measuring time. Here listen, foot, pound, second, F. Foot for measuring length, pound for measuring mass, second for measuring time. Next one, MKS, meter, kilogram, second. M for measuring length, K for measuring mass and S for measuring time. Okay. At the end of the Second World War, common system of unit, that is SI system of unit have been developed. SI system of unit. SI means International System of Unit. International System of Unit. So the International System of Unit is called SI unit. SI unit is based on 7 basic unit. Okay. It is based on 7 basic unit. Students, now we are going to discuss about the fundamental units and derived units. The units used to measure the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. The units used to measure the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Okay. The units which are used to measure the derived quantities are called derived units. The units which are used to measure the derived quantities are called derived units. Okay. What are the 7 fundamental quantities? First one, length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. Once again, listen carefully. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. What is the unit of length? Meter. Mass, kilogram. Time, second. Temperature, Kelvin. Temperature, Kelvin. Electric current, ampere. Electric current, ampere. Luminous intensity, candela. Luminous intensity, candela. Amount of substance, mole. MOL. Okay, this is the symbol of amount of substance. Students, now we are going to discuss about derived quantities and their units. First one is area. So what is the mathematical expression of area? Area is equal to length into birth. Length into birth. So L into B. Meter into meter. Meter into meter is equal to meter square. Okay. Next formula, volume. Volume is equal to area into height. Volume is equal to area into height. So area. Here listen. What is the unit of area? Meter square. So meter square into meter equal to meter cube. Okay. Next one is density. Density is equal to mass per volume. Density is equal to mass per volume. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram. What is the unit of volume? Meter cube. Meter cube. So density is equal to kilogram per meter cube. This is the unit of density. Okay, kilogram per meter cube. So how did you write? Kilogram meter power minus 3. Kilogram meter power minus 3. Next physical quantity is velocity. What is velocity? Rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Okay. So the velocity is equal to displacement by time. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. What's the unit of displacement? Meter per second. Meter times second. Displacement meter and the unit of time is second. So m by s, meter per second, or ms power minus 1. Okay. Next quantity is momentum. So the mathematical expression of momentum is P is equal to mv. M into v. Mass into velocity. P is equal to mass into velocity. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. What's the unit of mass? Kilogram. The unit of velocity is meter second power minus 1. Meter second power minus 1. So, kilogram meter second power minus 1. The unit of momentum is kilogram meter second power minus 1. Okay. Next one. Acceleration. Next physical quantity is acceleration. What is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Okay. So, acceleration is equal to velocity by time. Velocity by time. What's the unit of velocity? Meter second power minus 1. Meter second power minus 1 divided by time. The unit of time is second. So, meter second power minus 1. Second power minus 1 is equal to meter second power minus 2. Next physical quantity is force. The mathematical expression of force F is equal to m into a. Mass into acceleration. Okay. So, the unit of mass is kilogram. Multiply acceleration. The unit of acceleration meter second power minus 2. So, kilogram meter second power minus 2. Or you have write Newton. Newton is the scientist name. Okay. Next physical quantity is pressure. The mathematical expression of pressure P is equal to F by A. Force by area. Force per area. The unit of force is Newton and the unit of area is meter square. So, Newton n m power minus 2. It is otherwise called Pascal. B-A, Pascal. Okay. Next, physical quantity is energy, work. Energy or it is otherwise called work. Okay. So, the mathematical expression of energy W equal to F into D. So, force into distance. Force into distance. What is the unit of force? Newton. Multiply distance. The unit of distance measuring with length. Yes. So, meter. Newton meter. It is otherwise called joule. Next one is surface tension. Surface tension. The mathematical expression force per length. Okay. So, Newton. The mathematical expression is force per length. And the unit of force is Newton divided by length is meter. So, Newton n m power minus 1. Students, listen carefully. It is very important. Derived quantities and their units. First physical quantity is area. And area is equal to length into breadth. LB. Area is equal to L into B. So, meter into meter is equal to meter square. Next one, volume. Volume, area into height. So, area is equal to meter square. So, meter square into height. We have measured meter. Meter square into meter is equal to meter cube. Okay. So, m cube. Next one is density. Density is equal to formula mass per volume. Mass per volume. What's the unit of mass? Kilogram. What's the unit of volume? Meter cube. Okay. So, kilogram per meter cube. So, kilogram meter power minus 3. Next physical quantity is velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement. The unit of displacement is meter. The unit of time is second. So, meter per second. It is otherwise you are right. Meter second power minus 1. Next one is momentum. Momentum formula P is equal to m into v. Okay. Mass into velocity. So, what's the unit of mass? Kilogram. What's the unit of velocity? Meter second power minus 1. So, kilogram meter second power minus 1. Next one is acceleration. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. And what's the unit of velocity? Meter second power minus 1 divided by time is second. So, meter second power minus 1. Here also you have right second power minus 1. So, meter second power minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So, meter second power minus 2. Next one is force. Force is equal to m into A. Mass into acceleration. What's the unit of mass? Kilogram. The unit of acceleration? Meter second power minus 2. Acceleration meter second power minus 2. So, kilogram meter second power minus 2. It is otherwise called Newton. Okay. Next one is pressure. Pressure is equal to force per area. Force per area. The unit of force is Newton and the unit of area is meter square. So, n Newton meter power minus 2. It is otherwise called Pascal. Next one is energy. Energy, it is otherwise you have right work. W is equal to F into D. Force into distance. The unit of force is Newton. The unit of distance is meter. So Newton meter, N, M. Okay. Next, it is otherwise called joule. Newton meter, it is otherwise called joule. Next one is surface tension. Surface tension is equal to force per length. The unit of force is Newton. The unit of length is meter. So Newton, M power minus 1. Students, now we are going to discuss about length. Okay. Length is the extent of something between 2 points. The distance between 2 points is called length. The distance between 2 points is called length. Okay. What's the SI unit of length? The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of length is meter. And some of the large distance, we can measure the 3 units. Astronomical unit, light year, parsec. Astronomical unit, light year, parsec. What is astronomical unit? It is the mean distance between the center of the sun from the center of the earth. It is the mean distance between the center of the sun and from the center of the earth. Okay. Next, what's light year? The distance traveled by the light in 1 year in vacuum is called light year. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year in vacuum is called light year. The light traveled 1 year in vacuum is called light year. Okay. So astronomical unit 1 AU equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. And the light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Next one, parsec. Okay, parsec. It is used to measure the large distance. It is used to measure the large distance. It is used to measure the astronomical object outside the solar system. Okay, the distance between the sun and the star are measured by the unit is parsec. So 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. Okay, the larger units are there. Kilometer, it is converted to meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power 3 meter. Astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. And light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. And parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. It is very important. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power 3 meter. Astronomical unit 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. Students, now we are going to discuss about the smaller unit. Okay. To measure the diameter of the nucleus and the distance between the two atoms of the molecules, we can represent the smaller units. First one is Fermi, Armstrong, nanometer, micron, millimeter, centimeter. Fermi is equal to 10 power minus 15 meter, negative, minus 15 meter. And Armstrong, it is 10 power minus 10 meter. Nanometer, 10 power minus 9 meter. Micron, a micrometer or mu meter. Okay, mu, 10 power minus 6 meter. And millimeter, 10 power minus 3 meter. Centimeter, 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay students, thank you. Today class is over.